Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to protect your eBay account from hackers. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen. Scroll down until you see Settings section, and here open Sign In and Security. Firstly, update your password if it's been a while. Here, change password button. Create a strong password with at least 12 characters, and there should be different numbers, letters, and special symbols. And of course, avoid anything predictable like birthdays or pet names. What else? Go back, and here you see two-step verification. I have already done that, but we have a video on our channel how to enable two-step verification for eBay account. You can go and check it, but generally speaking, you need to choose the method how you want to verify your account. So it can be through text message or eBay application. So yeah, two-step verification is a very good thing to do. And what else? Go back again and enter personal information. Okay, eBay wants me to sign in again. I don't know what the problem is. Okay, but let me enter my password real quick. Okay, so again, when you open personal information section, you need to check your email address and phone number and make sure that information is up to date. And if, for example, there's a situation where eBay detects any suspicious activity, the eBay will use your email address and your phone number to contact you quickly. And of course, be very careful with phishing attempts. Always open eBay through the official application that you can get on App Store, and never through links in emails or text messages, so only official application. And if you get a suspicious email, don't click it. Don't click anything, just report it to the help center. So that's how you can protect your eBay account from hackers. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.